Rotary head precision sewing machine Baffle box duvet. Suitable for the sewing of Baffle box duvets, sewn through duvets, Baffle sleeping bags, and sewn through sleeping bags, among other home textile products. Sewing head and rotary hook assembly can achieve precise, synchronous rotation at any spatial angle, ensuring the bobbin always remains perpendicular to the stitching direction for consistently the positive sewing. X and Y drive axes use high-precision ball screw and linear guide structures to ensure stability and accuracy during high-speed, to high-strength operation. Precision stepper motor ensures tape feeding is perfectly synchronized with needle movement, with adjustable feeding speed and automatic cutting to preset lengths. High-speed liftable sewing head with a maximum lifting height of 100 mm to accommodate products of varying thicknesses. Can be quickly switched sewn through, fill then sew then fill. Optional automatic frame changer or backlit automatic frame changer.